And I have that memory of my grandfather sitting on a big white pillow, and there used to be a serpentine line of people waiting to show their pulse to him. And then he used to check with his 3 fingers, and then whatever he used to say, they used to say yes, yes, yes. I just remember that, like, for example, he must be saying that you have lots of air and space imbalance, and you will get gas or arthritis or bloating. You may have all these symptoms, so try to avoid raw vegetables, raw salad, heavy foods, heavy beans, and have more warm, cooked and liquid foods. And as that time was like a barter system, so they used to give him grains and milk and jaggery and all those things in place of pulse reading. So I had that image of him in my mind, and I had decided to be something like that, do something like that, where people are getting surprised by. So I was good in studies, luckily, and I got admission into medical, and then I could study Western as well as Ayurveda for 8.5 years. Then I got admission into MD medicine, and I did my thesis in diabetes. I did my research into a plant called Gudmar. The name suggests Gudmar. Gud means to sweet, and Mar means to kill. So the effect of that plant starts from the tongue. As soon as you put it on your tongue, it starts giving you results. So after eating that plant, if you eat sugar, you will feel you are eating mud. It won't taste anything. It starts from your tongue, from the taste bud. Wow. So I did the research into that plant and did my thesis, and it gave very good results. Like within 3 months, the sugar level from 250, it came down to 200 postprandial, and fasting from 150, it came down to 90. And the symptomatically, patients or the people, they got around 90% results, like frequent urination, then appetite, everything starts to come down slowly. And the Western medication, the doses started to reduce slowly. So after studying MD, I started my practice. And then initially I was doing Western medication because I am a doctor from India in Western as well as Ayurveda both. So initially I was not very satisfied with the results because I used to give, injections and painkillers and